So for my project, I wanted to implement an algorithm that would solve the 2048 game for me. So far, its highest score is 128, which is worse than mine. So you can play as a human. The essential object of the game is just to get the highest tile by merging different tiles. And the way I built the game is it is an array of nested arrays, and you can compress it left or right, each array, and then when you go up and down, you just transpose across the y-axis every time you change orientation. So I used a min-max algorithm to start, which takes the board that you have, generates every possible board that there could be, generates every possible board for every move that your opponent could make, and then again, so on to a predetermined depth. And then I used an alpha-beta algorithm to optimize that, which can increase and decrease an A and a B value as you recurse, and then just stop when you get to a certain point where you know that that branch isn't worth going down. And this is it in action. I might just move the winning score down a little bit so it doesn't run forever. It takes it a while to get to 512. One thing I noticed about the heuristic that I used to get the score is that it doesn't take into account what the winning tile is. So it generally just says keep moving down and to one direction to the side until you get to where you want to be, but it doesn't factor in how close you are. So like if I put in 32 is what the value I want to get to, and it has two 16s, it might not just swipe left right away because it's still going to be trying to accumulate the highest possible score on the board. So we reached 128 in 26 moves. And that is 2048.